welcome to Chainlink Q&A. Today I am accompanied by Allen from LBank Exchange. How are you, Allen?
Hi, I'm fine.
Awesome. And yeah, thanks so much for joining us. Where are you based out of today?
Now I'm based in Dubai, UAE.
Amazing. I'm so jealous. I couldn't imagine being in Dubai right now. I bet it's really beautiful out there. So thanks for taking the time to stream in and talk to us today. So why don't we go ahead and get started learning a little bit about LBank, what you're building, and what makes you all special in the space right now.
Yeah, okay. You asked about LBank. In fact, LBank, we are a cryptocurrency exchange. We launched in 2015. For now, it's already the 7th years for us to keep running in the market and keep very safe to give a better service to our users. And now we are around like global ranking 25 around this, and we have 6 million registered users, and our daily trading volume is around $1 billion US. So this is just some basic information about LBank. And in our exchange, what makes us special? When you ask about this, I think we are more open in this market, more open attitude, and we more believe in the power of innovation. We are an exchange, but we're giving a platform to many creative, like next big things project. So we offer more choice and more new potential project for our users, and this is something make us special.
Yeah, and like you said, you have over 6 million users, which is extremely impressive, and it shows that there's a lot of interest in LBank, which is awesome. How have you been able to onboard so many users?
Yeah, I think this have many reasons. Since we're already running 7 years, I think the first reason is about safe. We keep running safe, and we protect our users' assets and never being hacked. So this is the record of our 7 years history. And the second is what I told you before, because we are more welcome to some new potential projects. So we give more chance to this kind of project, and like co-marketing, co-event with potential project to offer more choice to our users. And we are more very welcome this kind of project to join us, and we're trying to do better to offer more support for this. And I remember last time when I'm talking with an influencer about LBank, he said LBank is his best favorite exchange to find the new potential project to invest. So our users also very happy with this.
Yeah, so it sounds like it's a place of inspiration as well for many of your community to go and explore what's new, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing that. And how are you all using Chainlink Price Feeds? That is something that we just announced together, which is really exciting, and we'd love to learn more.
We are using Chainlink in the feed price, because in Chainlink you offer this service, like you collect a lot of data, especially the price data from off chain to on chain, and this is very useful in like derivatives market, because when it comes to derivatives, especially about futures trading, the market need a very secure and reliable and fair price standard for users, because this is the most basic and important way to keep this trading fair for users. So in Chainlink, the feed price, this service, we integrate with this to offer better services in derivatives for our users.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And like you're saying, it creates a lot of safety, right, in the experience for your users. And how does that mitigate risk? How are you making this a safer experience for your users?
In fact, we have like risk control team, and we also have our IT safe risk team. So in different way, we try to make this safe. Firstly, it's about the cyber security. The cyber security side, we have a team doing this, keep doing this. And in the asset side, the wallet side, we have a risk control team to from cold water to hot water, and cold wallet to hot wallet. So sorry. To
No,
keep
it's
this.
okay. I got it. Yeah, so it sounds like your team is working around the clock to really ensure that the experience for your users is a good one, which I think is really important.
Yeah, this is the most important side.
That's great. And we didn't really talk about it too much, but how have you been educating your users on this blockchain experience? Have you been doing anything specific on that front?
Yeah, by education the
Yes.
users, we try to make some videos like how to trade with LBank. So that's some education videos to trade to educate our users. And we also now we're also planning to start a campaign like my first crypto with LBank. So to education users how to know more about cryptos, how to use LBank to buy his first crypto to start his invest life. So we are trying to do this, and we are also keeping doing more guidance in our application for our users to make it more easy and convenient for them to use our application. So and we also have a content team keep writing content for this industry to teach people what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain, some basic from fresh guide to know something about this. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And you were also saying there's a lot of content that you're building around this. Is that because a lot of your community is newer to the blockchain space?
In fact, we for different content, we aims to different kind of users. Like for some new users guiders, it's more for fresh guys. So, but in our bank, we also have a lot of experienced users, investors who buy and sell trading. They are traders. So with traders, even last week we start a traders meetup in Dubai. 100 people to join. It's a meetup, and we find some very experienced traders to teach to share their experience. So this is also part of education, some offline education. Yeah, we are also doing this.
That's really interesting. Yeah. So it sounds like you're trying to bring the experience to your users and also build that educational platform to show that you're all industry leaders in this space, which I think is really, really important.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. And also, we've seen blockchain finance really grow over the last few years, regardless of the ups and downs. It seems like everyone is still interested in seeing it grow. Why would you think that that is?
I think when it comes to the blockchain finance side, especially most people, I think they talk about the price of different tokens. The price mostly is going down and up, down and up. It's like this, but the trends of this industry is going up. Like Bitcoin, ETH, the mainstream tokens, they are keeping going up. In fact, that's the trends. For this, I think up and down is normal. It's normal in any industry, not only in our industry. But for me, I think I'm keeping optimistic in this because we can see what happened in the last year. It's very interesting, like NFT, GameFi, and metaverse. This kind of new conception and new product usually bring a lot of users to come from traditional industry to join our blockchain and crypto industries, especially like GameFi. It bring game industry users to our crypto industry. It's very interesting. This make a lot of growth in crypto side, in crypto industry. And in this year, I think there will be more interesting happen, especially this is only start in the last year. It's only start. I think this year it will be more crazy, more popular. So this industry is keeping a growth trending. Of course, the price mostly when it comes to a good project, I think the price is mostly going to up. Yeah.
And when you mentioned there's NFTs, there's GameFi entering the industry, is LBank considering entering any of those different verticals at all?
Yeah, for us, because we are exchange, but we also have LBank Labs. It's a VC funds. Like we find good project in like NFT, in GameFi, in metaverse. We invest in this kind of project. So like do some incubation and we list in this kind of project, and we do like co-marketing together with this kind of project. Especially like from last year, we built our community in different countries, and we in this year we keep more budget and a strong plan for different countries community sites, and we will do a lot of meetup. It's for education. It's also for like co-marketing with this kind of good project, do incubation. So we do a lot of things in this area.
Yeah, it sounds like you're really exploring that space, which makes a lot of sense. So that's awesome. Cool. Well, is there anything else that you want to share about what LBank is building over the next year? What's on your roadmap?
I think it's this year, right?
Well, this year, yeah. We are in the beginning of it all.
Yes, yeah, at the beginning. We have a very good plan in this year, and it's a very exciting growth plan. And I think I told our team we have two keywords in this year. The first keyword is like regulation, regulation. We want to get more and more regulated to our exchange. So that's what I'm doing. We're talking to some government to get the license, to get all the procedure more regulated. So to make our bank regulated more. This is one direction of our company. So the second is we are keeping like to get more good service, the better service and the better product to our users, because user is the symbol of our company. So all the things happen. We are thinking about how to make better service to our users and how to build a good like community, like what you told me before about education sites. So we also do a lot more, try to do more education in our community, local community, like in Nigeria, in Turkey, in India. We build the local community and to do the education. So a lot of event is also going to happen in local community.
Yes, that's really great. I think getting into the grassroots of where your community is building and is forming is the best way to really get in touch with them. So it sounds like you're all doing a lot of work on this front, which I think is going to, take you really far. It's really incredible.
Yeah.
Anything else that you want to share about LBank and where everyone can follow you and find more about LBank?
Okay, I think it's easy to find me. You just need to search Allen Wei in LinkedIn, in Twitter, anywhere you can find me. And in LBank, we have Twitter and we have Telegram. You just need to find our website, lbank.info. So you can find our social media, especially our Twitter and Telegram group is very active. A lot of users are talking now, discuss about the price, discuss about project, and a lot of campaigns is helping there. I think it's I strongly suggest to follow our like Twitter and Telegram.
Nice. Yeah, we'll make sure that everybody goes there next. That'll be fantastic. And before we close out, my last question to you is just what are you personally excited about in the blockchain space as you continue to build?
Myself, my personal opinion.
Yeah, what are you excited about?
In fact, in the last year, I joined a lot of NFT project. It's very interesting. It makes me very excited about this. I think this can keep trenders. in this year, even in this year. The NFT have different kind of NFT, like some is come from game sites. So people buy this NFT because they want this character to play the game. But another side is more from traditional industry. It's from art. It's from art. People buy this NFT only because they want collection this. They want to collect this, and because it's art. So it's very interesting. This two kind of direction NFT. I all join, and I buy a lot of NFT to collect. I feel this is this is also very important for our crypto to bring new users. So these two sides, I'm very excited, and for me, personally, I also invest in these two kind of direction.
Yeah, there's a lot of different utilities for NFTs, and they're just continuing to evolve and change. And I'm also very excited to see what happens. So I really appreciate you sharing all of your insight, Alan. I think it's been really great for the Chainlink community to learn more about LBank, and we'll make sure that they follow and subscribe and check out everything you're doing. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Well, that was everything for tonight. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. And we will be discussing some more interesting things on the Chainlink Q&A over the next few weeks. So make sure to tune in. I'm Zaji, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.